If Cobra Pose ever feels uncomfortable in your lower back, shoulders, wrists, or neck, you might think you're just not flexible enough. But that's not necessarily the problem. A few small mistakes can completely change how Cobra feels. And one of the biggest mistakes is trying to lift much higher than your body is ready for. So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 common Cobra Pose mistakes beginners make, how to correct each one, and the gentler version you can use while building your strength and mobility. Let's start with the most common mistakes: pushing too hard through your hands. When beginners enter Cobra, it's tempting to press strongly into the mat and use the arms to force the chest upward. But Cobra isn't about seeing how high you can lift. Instead, begin with your hands underneath or slightly forward of your shoulders. Keep your elbows bent and close to your sides before pushing with your hands. Gently engage your back muscles and begin lifting your chest. Your hands can provide support, but they shouldn't be doing all the work. Mistake number 2 is lifting too high. A higher Cobra isn't automatically a better Cobra. If you lift beyond the range you can control completely, you may end up compressing your lower back instead of creating a smooth extension through your spine. Try lowering yourself a little. You may be surprised how different the pose feels. Think about creating length through the front of your body rather than simply trying to get your chest as far away from the floor as possible. Mistake number 3 is letting the shoulders creep toward the ears. This is easy to do when you're concentrating on lifting. Instead, allow your shoulders to move away from your ears and keep your neck long. Imagine your chest moving gently forward as well as upward. You do not need to squeeze your shoulder blades together as hard as possible. Just create enough space that your upper body doesn't feel cramped. Mistake number 4 is straightening the arms too early. For many beginners, Cobra still have a noticeable bend in the elbows. Straight arms can encourage you to push yourself higher than you're ready to go. Keep the elbows soft, pointing backward rather than letting them flare dramatically out to the sides. This gives you much more control over the height of the pose. Mistake number 5 is forgetting about your legs. Cobra may look like an upper body pose, but your lower body matters too. Let the tops of your feet press gently into the mat and keep your legs active without becoming rigid. Think of your entire body participating in the pose instead of placing all of the effort into your hands and lower back. Mistake number 6 is throwing the head backward. Looking toward the ceiling might make Cobra appear deeper, but your neck doesn't need to be forced into a dramatic position. Keep the back of your neck long and choose a gaze that feels comfortable. Your head should follow the natural line of the rest of your spine. And mistake number 7 is ignoring what your body is telling you. Yoga isn't a competition, and a Cobra doesn't need to look exactly the same for everyone. If a full Cobra doesn't feel appropriate today, try baby Cobra. Start lying on your stomach with your hands near your shoulders. Keep the elbows bent, engage your back gently, and lift your chest only a small distance away from the floor. You might barely lift at all, and that's completely fine. Focus on control, breathing, and creating length instead of height. Over time, as you develop more strength and mobility, your Cobra may naturally change. The biggest thing I want you to remember is this: stop judging Cobra by how high you can lift. A smaller controlled Cobra can be much more useful than forcing yourself into a bigger shape. Start where your body is today. Pay attention to how the movement feels and progress gradually. If this helped you, subscribe to Yoga Insider, because I'm breaking down more beginner poses and small mistakes that can make them feel completely different. And if there's a pose you'd like me to break down next, tell me in the comments.